Hi friends, it's a night, huh? And during this night time, I thought let me have a small talk with you. A story has gone through my mind, and then I thought let me just share with you all. There was a king, okay, a king was there, and that king has announced to his people that there is a small kind of pool was there. So he said to the people that to all his people he said that during the night time you need to come, you need to take a bucket full of milk, okay, and you need to pour that particular milk into that particular pool, okay. We know swimming pool, huh? Like that pool was there, okay, and he told to his people, to his subject, to just get the milk into the bucket and pour that bucket into that particular pool. Now what happened is the night has passed, and the early morning he called all the people there, and then all the people were there. Actually we know this story, no? That all the people, they have poured water into the pool, and the pool was full of water as if it's a swimming pool. So the pool was full of water. So the king, he didn't get angry actually that particular time, but he just called a person. And say that, man, please come here. And then the person came to him, and then he asked that, what did you pour into this particular pool? And out of too much of fear, that person accepted that, my dear king, kindly forgive me. I poured a bucket full of water into this particular pool. Then the king asked to the person that, why did you do this? Then he said that, sir, I was knowing that everyone is pouring the water only. So I thought that if I pour milk, what impact will it make? Because all people are using the same water, then why should I go with milk and all? Now here is the moral of the story. The king told to the person that if you have poured a bucket full of milk into this particular pool, it will not make the whole pool, or it will not convert the whole pool water into the milk, but it will definitely change the color of that particular water. It will definitely change the color of that water. In this particular time, it's a night time, and at the night time, why I'm sharing the story to you, the purpose for the story is, my dear friends, the winter is there. Yes, we like to cover ourselves with blankets, okay, we just use good beautiful sweaters and jackets and everything good. Yeah, that's good, that we are blessed by that. But do you know there are so many people who don't have good blankets? There are people who do not have good sweaters. There are people who do not have good thing to cover themselves. Now I'm not telling to purchase so many things and go and distribute to the people. No, I'm not talking in that part. What I am telling you in this particular moment is, we all are having some old clothes. Okay, we all are having some old blankets. We all are having some old sweaters, some old jackets. Okay, some old things that can be used by somebody else. It could be possible that in our house it is stored somewhere, or we have packed and thrown somewhere. Yeah, we can use those things. We can give it to those people who are genuinely struggling into their lives. By doing this, as the king had said, you will not make the whole India or whole our people or whole community. You won't be able to change everything. Okay, but definitely you will make a small impact into the life of people where you are giving something. I belong to Ahmedabad, okay, Ahmedabad city, and there are many good people in Ahmedabad who take bunch of blankets and they roam whole night and give at the roadside, distribute blankets and all. It's nice work, good work. I'm not saying in that area. I'm saying about the people who are living surrounded by your house, by your community, by your society, by your village, by your area. People who are surrounded by that. Those kind of people who are genuine. Okay, might be possible they are working with you. Might be possible they are servant at your house. Okay, coming to serve you, coming to wash your clothes, coming to wash your vessels. Like these people, we won't be able to make a big change into the whole India or whole world, but we can start with a small change, and definitely that small change will be a blessings for so many people. So my dear friends, thank you very much for this hour, this night time, this time, but really we need to think on it. Okay, we are blessed and we need to be a blessing for the others. Okay, so take care. Thank you very much. God bless you all.